Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Nature Walker. Okay guys, so today we're carrying on a little exploration. Today we are going to the Grove Nature Reserve. Oh, this will be fun, this one. Now I've been through it a few times guys, so let's begin. I'm going to show you a quick map of the place. Before we keep going on. If you can see that guys, that's the whole map of the area. Yeah. If you want to read that, look at that, read and pause it. Right, there's different roads we can take. There's down there. There's in there. There's a tent in there somewhere. So we're going to carry on for a bit now. So where are we going first? I say we get this bit done first. Then we can come back on ourselves and go down here. What's that? Oh, it's an animal century here. Let's go on. Look at this place. So many different paths. Oh yeah, that down there guys goes in a complete circle. Basically comes up right behind the back of the actual river. So like a little lake there. We'll get to that point when you see it. Now I'm going to show you the exit. Potential entrance exit. There's a tree in the way there. Got to bend down here. Okay. This is like a little border to the path is. There's no route down there guys, that'll take you all the way round to the lake, but we'll go down that route all the way back. Maybe do it now. But let's just go to this entrance first. Here's another entrance guys. Just head. Let's just go to the main road still. Yeah, a bit quick. Excuse me. Zoom back to normal. We'll go to the end. We're going to the path and come back. We'll head down that way. Then head back, round that way, then back to the path. See, that's just the path, guys, right there. Alright, so let's head round here. We'll take the long route back, guys. I've got a plan for this lot, so plan for this. Carry on, guys. Look at this. Damn. This place is just so quiet. Hardly anyone here. Perfect doing a video like this. Anyway. Whoa, crazy. This place has changed so much, guys. There is a way to get down there. Well, I'm going to show you where the way. There, down that path there. So you run up that path, it's easier. But it looks a bit overgrown at the moment, so we can do it later. Anyways, let's carry on. Like I said, we're going to come back on ourselves. So by the time this video up, we'll be back around here again. If I remember the path, I can find it. Yeah. Let's go. Right. Let's get moving. There's another path in there, which takes you into the trees. Let's see if we can take a closer look. So we won't be doing. Yeah. Must be a drain there. Here's the path, that's it. This goes into a load of trees, guys. Here we go. Damn, it's cool. Let's just carry on for a bit down here. We'll head our way back in a minute. We won't get too far in here for now. There you guys, there's nothing quite like exploring. Really, it's nothing like exploring. And I think there's another exit around here. Holy moly. Yeah, this is it, right, guys. Excuse me. That takes you out to there, yeah. So there's not a path there, is there? Hang on, go looking. You. Okay. Do you know what? Yeah, this is good. This is. So let's go walk through here. Push that back ready. Right, get going. Let's go see what's through here quick. Alright, we'll head back on the path and then we can make our way backwards. Look at this place, guys. This is madness. Okay, we're gonna go. Yeah, interesting. So let's get back on the way we came from. And we can carry on from where we left off. Excuse me. Damn, look at this place. It's one of these places, guys, you can actually explore for hours on end. And that part there leads directly onto the path. Let's see if I get around the corner. Excuse me. Right. It's better. I've done this stuff in ages. I've explored this place in ages, guys. There's one good thing to all the videos being deleted by accident. Not all of them, most of them being deleted by accident. It means we're going to be doing this right and do stuff properly this time round. We're going to get done properly this time round. Crazy. Yep, full battery power left. This ain't running a long time. Whoa. Look at that guy. Look at that picture. That's crazy. That is what I call a good little hill. Still. But we're going to come back that way anyway, so hey, we're back. But now let's carry on. And now we head deeper in, guys. We're back on the path. But like I said, guys, everyone, there is an entrance not far. When you get to the actual river, you'll see. Wow, look at this place. But this is how it should be. Quiet, Not overgrown, everything, guys. Bee's nest in there, seen that. Not a good place to go, guys, seriously. Trust me, that one. So I've been working here, it's good. Bee fight you full from. I remember that one. That was years back though. So, got the bridge needs work. Look at that bridge though. Nice, that's a bridge. You can find a lot of these. There's a broken bridge up here, I think. Let's see how I get anyway. Yeah, look, guys. We were just round there, right? Well, here we go. This is where this goes. There used to be a route about. Hang on. There used to be a route around here. Unfortunately, that's used to be entrance, guys. Actually, it used to be entrance up there. That's overgrown now. We can't get through there. Shame, really, but hey. Alright, let's carry on. River not far from here. This place. Well, so it's one of the first nature I ever looked around. Back when I was going back in my secondary school, I used to come down here a lot. Come here quite a lot, guys. It's quite fun. It's quiet. Hey, I like it like that anyway. See little bugs flying around here, and yeah, that's gone in completely. There you go. That's what happened to that bridge, guys. It's collapsed completely. Jeepers, that is collapsed. Right, we can't go that way then. We can, but we have to go back and round. Let's go do that. Right. Down that way. Guys, this lake we was talking about earlier. It's like a little lake, but it's not a massive one. Let's carry on. And that goes down that way, then path round it. That's one of the paths, guys. We'll make our way back that way as soon as it's fine. For the time being, let's get down here. Oh, algae. My god. That's a huge layer. Wow, look at this place. Remember, this used to be so overgrown you couldn't walk in it at all. I came in there once, it was just so overgrown, you just push through the branches and everything. Push for everything to get anywhere. There you go now. Oh yes, also be a actual pit here. A bog here. I can't remember what it was now, but it's going around. Hang on, let's see. We can find it. Oh yeah, here we go. This main part. It's a very big place, guys. We can have a laugh anyway. Yes, let's see where this place is. Oh yeah. Wait a minute. The tar pit is about. Hang on. We'll take a different route in. Oh, hang on. There you go. There's a bridge. Right, where was it? Here. Here we go, guys. This is it. Look at that. and that goes straight back to over there, guys. So if you ever fall into it, which I don't, hope no one falls into that, I don't trust that. You end up back there. Alright, let's get back. Still. Oh, move. Right, we're not quite done yet, guys. We're not quite done yet. So like I said, we're going to go back on ourselves eventually, so don't worry about it. We're going back on ourselves. Time being. This bridge is getting a bit old. Oh. Alright, go. That's just something over there. Let's see what's down here. Oh, it's the fence. Okay, it's the fence, guys. I'll show you. It's a fence. The fence comes up there. You just go down there. Because there used to be an exit. Because you used to go through out there and down here. It's a nice thing, but they took the fence out. So let's go. Let's go where we came from. Where are we gonna go? Let's go to the bridge. We'll come back on ourselves. We'll just do this while we're here. Do this while we're here. So guys, we're going back on ourselves anyway, so that's fine. Because this goes into... Yeah, it goes exactly where we want to go, actually. Yeah, this goes exactly where we want to go. This goes exactly where we want to go, actually. Yeah, this is it, guys. Yeah. So we're going to make our way to the bridge anyway, so it's fine. This place. Hope you guys enjoyed this new series. This is good fun, actually. We have to do stuff better. Do a complete remake of stuff. It's a great thing as well. All my stuff get deleted. Most of my stuff get deleted. Sorry, guys. It was actually a good like a blessing in disguise. Means I can remake everything how I wanted to be originally. Because that's part of how it went down originally. I've had to rush through a few ideas. Rush ideas through. Few ideas through. That goes back to the path. For now, we're going to go in these trees. I'll show you a way into this place now. Go. And that's just a dead end. You can't go any further than that around this part. See, we can't go any further now, just dead end. Alright, let's carry on, guys. That's fun. So, where is that entrance I saw? Continue down that way. Go down this way now. Damn. Got a spider on it, guys. A lot of spiders. But it's right here's nature's after all, so it has to be expected. What's that? It's not getting it, guys. I don't know. Don't start saying horror stuff. I like walking through here. Ah ha ha! Here we go. Yep, behind that bridge, guys. Behind that bridge. Oh, there's the entrance here. Hang on a sec, guys. I think I might recognise. Yeah, behind that bridge. There's that path. Come back down that minute. I want to see us first. There we go, guys. This is it. Sideways. It's down the side. This entrance, rightly. We can go through it, guys. Budget, why not? Look at that. Look in there, guys. That's crazy. It's good. There's no way getting through there, is there? Where's that other path? Hang on, there's a path around here. I find out where to get there, guys. It's easier. I'll look for it. Got to find it. From here. Ah, here it is. In there, guys. That's the way to get in. Yes, this is it. It's me. Bag. Here's your deck. Ow. Excuse me. I bought this carrot bag, alright. Oh, let's go. Anyway. I'll get through, it's good. Now. This is it, guys, we're inside that place. Put this down. Down. There, that's what we need. Ow. Well, that's about, fuck it. You're gonna get a few bites coming through here, guys. This is it. Remember this? We're just out there, guys. That's the way out anyway. If I come down here. It's like holes. Anyway. Look at that. Wow. Look at this place. Now I'll show you the entrance that I should be using. Down here. What are we? You can still get through it, yeah. Okay. Wow. That's the entrance you should be using, guys. I was like using that entrance because it takes away from the thorns. But since we're on a walk, let's do this, alright? Through. Ow. Anyway. Hey, where were we? We're back here, guys. That's space another entrance, guys. See, this is his bridge. You can't cross this now. But you do get this view from over the side. Damn, it's crazy. And that bridge is well and truly, well, I'm not going to say because I swear, but still, messed up. That's all I'm going to say. Damn. Right, let's carry on and we'll head our way down to the one of the back areas. Wow, look at this place. That is just the pathway there, guys. Right there. Now there should be a path there as well. You can't go down anymore, but still, that's back in school. Like years ago, that path was there. That's annoying. Because there's a path that goes down there, back round, and it cuts out near some other side. Still. But this is the other side, guys. This is the path we took, we blocked, we walked, we passed. Doing the other path we did. Two birds in here. What's that do? Look at this place. Right then. Not bad at all. Right, so let's carry on. This place may look a bit overgrown, guys, but it's not. It's fine. It's walkable anyway. It's walkable, this path. Parts. Damn. Look at this place. It's one of those places, it's like canal, guys. You can explore for hours upon end down here. That we went down that way. Came out right down by that path we blocked off. Blocked off? No, we didn't block it off. Actually, we didn't go that path. Really? Right. Now, the path I was talking about, guys, that takes us right all around the back, is down here. Oh, it's just that stuff, okay. Just stuff falling off the trees. Ugh, I thought it was rain for a moment there. Jeez, bad thing. Oh, the sky's looking better as well, awesome. It's looking nice as well. Not a bad start. Blossoms, everything, guys. Anyway, let me get everyone. Excuse me, bye. Spider web. Anyway, that's just goes on the private property. That's a farm. You can't go that way, but I will show you where it goes. I will show you where it comes out though. There you go. It's a big ass ditch down here. Ditch down there. Ditch right there, guys. Let's carry on now. Since we're here, we'll take a guys. This could be one long circle. You'll see where it pop up eventually. Whoa! But where are we going to head off to next? We can't go that way because is it dead end? No, let's check down here. Let's check down here, guys. Yeah, dead end that way. That just goes through there. That goes there. So we'll take that route. That route. Okay. Let's decide. Yep. One. Oh. See what's through here first, then we'll decide. Yeah. That just goes into the actual garage. That goes into the farm. So let's take this route. Let's take... I don't know, guys. What route do we take? Because that one needs a straight round, but this one takes around the back. Let's take the back route. Wow, 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 wow. It's fun. This is the route we're taking. There's no route around here, is there? Maybe that route got closed off then. It's a few overgrown paths here. Yeah. Okay. That has been closed by the looks of it then. Come on, let's go. Now. Yeah. Looks like it got closed and just take this route. This goes back where we came from. I'll just show it on camera anyway. Yep, exactly the same place, guys. Exactly the same route. Depends what route take. You're gonna come across this path anyway. Circles and circles. And boom, boom. Circles and circles. Right, let's get going. Right. Let's head back. Excuse me. Circles within circles. That's not recent. Right. Music. Bees. Let's get very quick. Don't bother using. No. And we're back here, guys. Back here, everyone. That's cool, it is actually. This place isn't very big, but it has a lot of off paths you can go down. And it gets a nice picture as well. For the time being, we haven't explored this place fully, have we? Now, where else haven't we explored yet? Yes, guys, it's fun. It's one of those places you can actually have a laugh, walk about, have some laughs, yeah. Nap. Good place. Crazy. Damn, it's cool. Hey. I've been enjoying this. Enjoying this so far, everyone. It's a whole new channel. Fresh start, guys. It's a completely fresh start. We do things right this time round. And that's where we are, down there. Walk through that lot we've got here. And again, yeah. Doesn't matter. We can walk across that part now. Good, walk across the back, can't we? Hang on. There we go, actually. That's hard enough ground. Move. Oh. Wow. I'm gonna get out of here. Go on. Let's get out. Let's keep going. Well, I can hear bees come from there. I can hear bees there. Time being, let's just get out of here. Alright. We're not quite finished yet, guys. One last path to explore. And then... Alright, so then, next video, guys, will be at Ricewick Woods. I know we're doing everything we did, but we've got to get his stuff got back up again. Oh, that's spooky. Anyway. And this is the entrance, guys. Come on, entrance right now. This is the main one. There used to be that actual stag built hill around here. time being, that's gone now, fortunately. Went through there. Went all the way around there, guys, nothing there. Went all the way down there. Don't know if that'll be in the video. But now, first things first. Let's go down this path we didn't do. God. Good. Right, here we go, folks. Only human after all. Right, we are going a different route today. We're back on this path again. Down here. So that's the exit right there, guys. There's another entrance or an exit right there. The main road will go there eventually, but for the time being, let's go a bit exploring. Let's go down here. Well, did we do this part already? Let's go, let's see what... Oh, we did this part, yeah. Goes out that way, yeah. We did this part already. Okay. Alright, guys. You know what? Let's take that to exit and we'll call it here. Call it there. Alright, guys. So, this has been the Nature Walker. It's been great fun doing this walk, guys. Great fun. Time being. Okay, so, next video, guys. Next bit, everyone. Will be at Russet Woods. That's the next video, guys. Alright, we'll head to the... So, next video will be at Russet Woods. And then after that, Hounslow Heath. Do proper exploring this time around, but still. Yeah. Alright, guys. Once we're near the exit, then. Okay, we're near the exit now. Right, I think that is it, guys. Everyone, I think that is it. That's cool. Alrighty, so we've done everything we can in this place. So, guys, so then, where is it? We'll exit. This is the exit, guys, right here. And, excuse me, sorry. And this has been Nature Walker, and I will see you when we get Russet Woods. Bye bye, bye bye. Bye guys, see ya. See you later, guys.